Hi, I am Akshatha Udupa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As we all know, any strategy to work, we need proper stock selection. Similarly, if we want to take any trades, we need to find the good stocks, and if we want to do any investments, even then we need to find the good stock. Now most of us will depend upon the news that come in various places or in different maybe Telegram channels and rely on that. Instead, what if we check some trusted website wherein we will get complete information about the stock, be it for intraday trade or for investment. So today in this video, I will share with you all some of the trusted websites which give precise information and which you can use for both fundamental analysis as well as technical analysis. And also these are the websites which will also give you an idea as to the momentum stocks from where you can check the stocks. So let us check different sources from where you can get some precise information. Firstly, Moneycontrol. This is a website on which you can easily rely upon. This is a website which existed from many years, and this is a website which contains huge information. Even if you want to check any information which is older than 15 years, even that is available here. So Moneycontrol contains huge collection of information which you can use for analysis. Here you can see under markets there are many things available. You can go for a stock screener, and in the stock screener you have both fundamental screener as well as technical screener. Just to check this out, I'll show you. So this is a fundamental stock screener which you can use for fundamental analysis. That is, if you are someone who is into investment, then you can use these screeners depending upon what is that which you want to check. For example, if you want to check the shareholder details, then you can select this screener and check it out. You can do different ratio analysis over here. You can check out the profit and loss scans. You also have cash flow scans. If you are well versed in fundamental analysis, you know how much important it is to analyze the cash flows. So all these scanners are available here. Similarly, if you are someone who want to do the technical analysis, then you can use this technical scanners. Here you can see the price scans, that is 52-week high, 2-year breakout, 3-year breakout, 5-year breakout scans are there. You have smart breakout, a bullish breakaway, a bearish breakaway scanners. You also have open is equal to low, open is equal to high. That is, if you are someone who is selecting the stocks based on open is equal to high or open is equal to low, then you can use that as well. And you also have indicator based scanners which will purely take indicator as its reference and tell you which are the good stocks. Also candlestick patterns, many of us use candlestick patterns, even that scanner is available over here. So you can check this also. So this is one of the oldest websites and which contains most of the information which will help us in our fundamental analysis as well as technical analysis. You can check this out. Also you can see top gainers, top losers list, all this are also available directly over here. So that morning if you want to just check which are the stocks which are top gainers, then you can just click on this top gainers icon, and here you will see the categories, and whichever category you want to search, you can just click on that and check for the top gainers. For example, if I just select Nifty 50, then top gainers from Nifty 50 will come over here. For example, if you want to check Nifty 50 top gainers, then you can select this. If you want to check top gainers for any particular sector, then that is also available over here. So there are many options which you can use for your analysis in Moneycontrol. The next website which you can check is the Economic Times. Even here there is a very good assembling of the data that is ideally required for a trader. Here you can see there is news about different stocks, what is happening in a particular stock on that day. That information is available. You can see different blogs over here. Also screener is available, candlestick screener is available. You can just click on this. You can check over here white spinning top, black spinning top, bullish strong line, different screeners. If you know how to use them, then definitely you can select the screeners from this list. Then if you go on checking, here you can see the market calendar, you can see the stock market codes, and also information about the cryptocurrencies are available over here. So this is also one of the good websites which you can refer to for stock market news. Also here details about the IPOs and FPOs are also available. You need not check somewhere else for IPO details. That is also available in this website itself. You can see the opening date, closing date, issue size, every information is available. So if you want to know about any particular stock, then that can also be done using this website. Next, coming to another favorite website of mine. Again, these are not sponsored videos or something like that. I have not collaborated with anyone. These are just the website which I have used and found it to be useful. So I thought of sharing it with you. The main intent behind this is, instead of simply or blindly following any news coming up, just refer to it in this good trusted websites and do your analysis, and then you take any trades. So this particular website is a screener.in. This is a brilliant website where you can create your own screeners and you can search for the stocks. So here you just have to go to screens and say create new screen. Also you have already available screeners which can also be used for fundamental analysis. So mainly this is used for fundamental analysis because it will help you in analyzing various criteria like profit criteria, the ROCEs, how the profit is increasing in a company, different ratios, and all these things can be used in the screener. Also another feature which I liked here is that you will get to also check the sector wise information. For example, if you want to select a particular sector, say chemicals, I'll just select chemical sector, and here you can see the details of the stocks in this sector is available. You can see here these are the PE ratios. If you just click on this, you can just sort it in the ascending or descending order. Also you have market cap wise details, you have dividend yield, you have sales quarter wise, also you have quarter wise sales variance, you have ROCE. Again, you can edit any columns here by just selecting edit. You can see whichever information you need, you can select that. For example, if you want to check debt to equity ratio of a particular stock, or you want to select a stock in the chemical sector which where you want to analyze a debt to equity ratio. So depending upon the debt to equity ratio, you want to select a stock, then just select debt to equity ratio. You are not say interested in dividend yield, then just uncheck this and then say reset and then say save columns. Now if you see over here, debt to equity ratio has come, and you can see the debt to equity ratio of all the companies in this sector. Again, you can filter out the stocks depending upon your criteria. So all in all, for fundamental analysis, this is a best screener that is available. The next website that can give a tough competition to screener.in is the Tickertape.in. This is also a brilliant screener which you can use, which will give you many information. Again, this is best suited for the fundamental analysis, that is for long term investment. You can see here you have different filters available. You can select the stock universe, that is be it Nifty 500, Nifty small cap 100, Nifty 100 or Nifty 50, whichever you want to you wish to select. Also you can go by sector wise selection. You also have market cap selection. Also you can add whichever filter you want to add depending upon how is your analysis. So you can just select whichever criteria you want to add over here and say okay, it will appear over here. From there you can select the stocks. So this is also one of the best screener available for again fundamental analysis. The next excellent website is a livemint.com. Again, here you will get a very good analysis of different stocks. You will get the latest of the news, which is again not biased, very clean facts are displayed over here. So this is also one of the good websites which you can refer to for both fundamental as well as technical analysis. Here again you can see the market dashboard is available. This is the top gainers list. You can see top losers list. Similarly, if you want to check out the stock picks, ICICI Direct stock picks, you can just select over here and see which are the stock picks. Also you can use this for swing trades. Even for swing trades you can refer to all of these websites which I have mentioned till now. Also you have 52-week high, 52-week low. So depending upon which is that on which you rely for the stock selection, you can use that option over here and use it. Also you have different options. If you just select market over here, you can see if you want particular information about the commodities, then that is available, cryptocurrencies, that is available, even the information relating to the IPOs are available over here. So this is also one of the very good websites that you can refer to. The next one being TradingView portal. This is an excellent portal which can be used both for fundamental and technical analysis. So most of the times I use this for all my analysis, that is for intraday trading and also for the swing trades. So here you have different options. You can see here you have charts available from where you can do the technical analysis, screeners are available, calendars are available. You can use this. It is very very good. If you want me to do a separate video on these individually, then you can comment, then you can leave a comment so that I will individually explain the complete features of all of these websites. So here if you just go to super charts, here you can see we can do the technical analysis using different tools. Here the indicators that are available are unique, and you will find different types of indicators which you can research on and see which can work better for you. The tools that are available for the technical analysis over here are excellent compared to any other trading platforms. And please don't forget to like this video because it is a motivation for me to do lots of informative content. And if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. I will be back with another informative content very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.